Hi guys, welcome to the CATWay. So in this video, we are going to solve our daily set. And before we begin, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Now moving on to the set that we have. So it says ki on a multiplex screen, S1, S2 and S3. Okay, a multiplex is three screens. Okay, S1, S2, S3. And it is running a movie Rockstar in 3 shows, afternoon, evening and night. Okay, on each screen. On a particular day, a total of 810 people watched Rockstar in the multiplex. Okay, and the number of people who watched Rockstar in the evening. Okay, so guys, first what we should do is we should make our table. Okay, it's a very basic sort of a table that we are going to make. Okay, so we have 3 sessions. Okay, it's a afternoon. Okay, afternoon. It's a evening session, and it's a night session. Okay, so these are the 3 sessions, and we have 3 screens. Okay, so S1 is there, S2 is there, and S3 is there. Okay, and you have to do the division between them. Okay, ki bhai how many people watched in which slot and in which screen basically. Okay, so this is the basic thing that you have to do. Okay, so bhai it says ki the number of people who watched Rockstar in evening show on S3 was half the number of people who watched Rockstar in the night show on S1. So let's say S1 में you have 2x people. ठीक है, S1 में you have 2x people. एंड तो नाइट शो में जो है लाइक S1 के आफ्टरनून में सॉरी S1 के नाइट में इट इज टॉकिंग अबाउट राइट. हाँ, S1 का नाइट इट इज टॉकिंग अबाउट. जस्ट अ सेकंड गाइस, होल्ड ऑन. तो S1 का नाइट शो इट इज टॉकिंग अबाउट. ठीक है, सो S1 का नाइट शो इज बेसिकली व्हाट, नाइट शो इज 2x एंड इन दैट केस कि भाई S3 का इवनिंग शो विल बी x. ठीक, then it says exactly 120 people watch Rockstar in the afternoon show on S1. ठीक है, so afternoon show S1 120 हो गया. ठीक है, which was 50% more than the number of people who watched Rockstar in night show in S3. So night show in S3 से 50% ज्यादा is 120. So basically it is saying कि वो चलो night show in S3 is let's say A. So A into 50% ज्यादा, that is 1.5 gives you 120. So value of A becomes 80. ठीक है, value of A becomes 80. So here you will be having 80 people. ठीक है, now moving on, let's see. So acha, now this is in turn 33.33% more than the number of people who watch Rockstar in evening show on S2. So going by that calculation, you get ki bhai evening mein there are S2 mein 60 people are there. ठीक है, you get this. Now number of people who watched Rockstar in evening show was 1/3 of the total number of people who watched Rockstar in the multiplex on that day. So was in multiplex how many people are there? 810 people are there. So 1/3 of 810 we are talking about here. ठीक है, was 1/3 of the total number of people. So 810 divided by 3, you get 270 people. ठीक है, so 270 people watched in the evening show. ठीक है, 270 people watched in the evening show. ठीक, चलो let's see what else do we have. Then the number of people who watched Rockstar in the afternoon show on S2. So afternoon in S2 was 9/10 of the people who watched Rockstar in afternoon show on S3. Okay, so we do not know about that, but what we can say is ki bhai if S3 is y, so S2 is 0.9y. This is something that we can say. Okay, chalo. Then the number of people who watched Rockstar in after. Acha, this we have done. So the number of people who watched Rockstar in night show on S2. Night show on S2 was 5 less than twice the number of people who watched Rockstar in afternoon show on S3. Acha, so what has been given ki number of people who watched Rockstar in night show on S2. So night show on S2 we do not know what is it. Okay, but it is equal to what? 5 less than twice the number of people who watched Rockstar on afternoon show on S3. So let's name it as A, and the relationship that we have is he was twice the number of people in afternoon show on S3 minus 5. इससे 5 less is equal to A. ठीक है, so 2y is basically A plus 5. 2y is basically A plus 5. ठीक है, so this is also done. And number of people who was Rockstar in afternoon show in multiplex on that day was 250. So this makes our work easier. This has been given 250. So if this is 215, this is 325. And what you get is 0.9y plus y is equal to, acha, 120 is over here. 215 mein se you subtract 120. Okay, so you are left with 95. Now that 95 is composed of this y plus 0.9y. Okay, so that means 1.9y. So divide 95 by 1.9. ठीक है, divide 95 by 1.9 and you will get 50 as y. ठीक है, you will get y as 50 and you will get this as 45. अच्छा, if this is 40, this is 50, so double is 100. ठीक है, double is 100 minus 5. Double is 100 minus 5, that is 95. That is the value of A. over here 95. Acha, if that is 95, so 325 में से you take out 95, you take out 80, you will be left with 150. That is equal to 2x. So 2x की value becomes 150, and from there x की value becomes 75. Now if x is 75, you know 75 plus 60, so the remaining will be 135 over here. So with this, the set is solved, guys. Now moving on to the set. So how many people was Rockstar in night show on S2? So that is 95 people. So option number B. Now what was the total number of people who was Rockstar on S1? So Rockstar on S1 is 200 is what? Was the movie Rockstar in S1? Achha, this calculation we have to do. So that is 150 plus 120, that is 27. 27 plus 13, 40, 40.5, basically 405. Option number A is the right answer. And the number of people who watched the movie Rockstar in afternoon show on S2. So afternoon show S2, that is 45. Was what percentage who watched it in evening show in S1? Evening in S1 is 135. So basically it is asking what is 45 of 135. So it is what? It is 33.33%. That is option number B becomes the right answer. So with this, the set is complete, guys. Hope you have understood the set well. Thanks for watching the video.